music, a magic that is very much like a scenery, that is powerful, funny, and unforgettable. Every Hogwarts house has its own powers, but we, the scenery, have something unmatched. Ambition, determination, and the ability to turn silence into power. Music is very much like a swimming effect. It can be soft as a whisper and strong enough to change hearts. It can be powerful, precise, or even dark. Yet, it can also be elegant, good, and full of purpose. When we listen to music, it opens a secret chamber inside ourselves. A chamber where emotions can speak freely, dreams shine brighter, and fear fades into tremble. And as a scenery, we embrace that reality. So today, let me cast a simple spell. A spell for confidence, creativity, and unity. Are you ready? One, two, three. Samuel, Salmon, and Serpent.
Sorry, hindi ako
A spell for confidence, creativity, and unity. For a spell for voices to rise, like a serpent lifting its head with pride. A reminder that music is not only a sound, it is connection, courage, and it is a heartbeat that guides us towards greatness. Thank you, and may music inspire you and lead you to your most strongest and most ambitious self. Alright, thank you, Miss Rachel Atkin from the music inspires us in beginning. Alright, today we have for Miss Adriana Venerato. We will not where are you looking for? Good morning, judges, respected teachers, fellow students, and friends. I am Adriana Venerato, the representative of Unit 4. Today, I stand before you to discuss a question that has puzzled humanity for as long as we have lived. Is that something really fear? Have you ever truly experienced death? Felt the final breath, your last heartbeat, the exact moment your existence fades? If not, then why does something we have never felt hold so much power over the way we live? If that is the only thing guaranteed in life, then why do we not control our choices, our dreams, and the moments we take for granted? As Steve Jobs once said, that is the destination we all share. No one has ever skipped it, and that's how it should be, because that is very likely the best signal to get to the flight. Perhaps that doesn't scare us because it ends life, but because it reminds us how fragile and fleeting every second really is. Maybe we do not fear death itself, but the life we might waste before it arrives. So, should we really fear death, or should we fear not truly living before it comes? We spend our lives looking for an end we have never even experienced. As if ignoring it means something disappear. Well, as a matter of fact, psychology says that the fear of death, known as thanatophobia, is one of the most universal fears human can have. Supporting this, a study published in Forensic Psychology found that 70% of people experience moderate to high fear of death, especially when they think deeply about their own mortality. Some people become so scared of dying that they are afraid to live fully, avoiding dreams and new experiences. But when we begin to understand that our time is limited and tomorrow is never guaranteed, we stop waiting for the perfect moment and start living intentionally. For some, it is like viewing death as a transition rather than an ending. Yet, for others, it brings even deeper fear.